first things first, so install Python on the Microsoft Store, and install Python on the, yeah, so this yellow sign right here, it says right here, right? It's on the path. So you have to make sure to copy and paste this entire path, the orange, as you can see here. And let's grab it right here. And you make sure you go to path, edit variables in path. And then you go to environmental variables, and you go to path, edit, and it'll be right here. I put it in there. I just do a new one right here. So like that, and boom, you have it. Or you can edit it. But we have it. So now, if I create a new one, I can do Pyinstaller version, and it works now. So now I have Pyinstaller. So make sure you read your installs for pip install Pyinstaller. After that, your Pyinstaller should work on your Windows, and you create your own exe Python apps. And I spent a whole 30 minutes. Hopefully you guys find this useful. If you find this useful, please use my affiliate links down below. And have a nice day. Bye.